So we're looking to a COTI. Let's look COTI. The COTI holder, they see and look to the price. All-time high was 72 cent. Now we are here at 11 cent. And I think the time of COTI is not yet coming. Yeah. So if you look to the structure, then you can see that we are already in a downtrend, yeah, and broke here some structure. But also important for COTI holder is this. Look, we are not in the area of 20 or 15. Yeah, we are at 33. Yeah, and that is too high. We have to go here to these levels back. And these levels are, let me look, here, 22. So I think we have here a little bit place to the downside. Also interesting if you look here, the general support area is here. Yeah. So we have here a little bit place to the downside. That means the price could drop to 0.005 cent. Even in the level of 0.005 cent is too expensive. If you look here to this area, we already reached this. Look, that was our first support. Yeah, here look, resistant, break. You can see stop, resistant or support, break. And we get here the last support, and it could be possible that we make this, yeah, going to 5 cent, 7 cent break here, and try here to build a new structure. Especially here if this and this is crossing, if you look here. So this is a dangerous formation. Yeah. So people who use my membership, they know, okay, what happens after that. The price will go here sideways, yeah, and try to find here a low. But in the end of the day, we're forming here a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation, and the price of COTI will explode. Yeah. And now the people have fear, but people who have experience, they see a wonderful opportunity to get in. It's now financial advice. Yeah. So if you use my membership, then you can see how far we can go here to the upside. And in the Wolf Exclusive Club or in the Wolf Profile, you can see how far we can go here to the upside. Yeah. And I can say to you one thing, that what you see here was a pre-step. The real step is coming, and we will see here very, very high prices. Yeah. To use the membership to find out how far and how long we can go here to the upside. Let's look here more inside. So this is a dangerous formation because you can see the price is go very hard to the downside. Yeah. And now what we can make here is only a retest. You can see this is our channel. Maybe we could test here the 15 cent level, but after that you can see we will see something like that. Have a nice day. So we're looking to Bitcoin price. Today I want to make a live stream regarding Bitcoin and other cryptos. But first you get here a short intro into the Bitcoin price. Yeah, please look later the live stream, then you have more information about the price, what will happen here. So for us it's important, if you see something like that, we have here, or we have now the situation, at the moment we break here this structure. And this structure is not stable. Normally we have to go to these levels here and make a retest, yeah, something like that. But the structure is so broke, yeah, that we have not the energy to come back to these levels, but at 36,000, that was our support. Look, yeah, 1, 2, 3. So it is possible that the price go very hard to the upside at 36,000 levels. But I'm not calculating this, but this is possible. Yeah? It's not in my focus. If you look here to this here, then you can see we prepare us for something. Yeah? So I think the vaults can stretch this like this to the upside, yeah, something like that. So that you believe that the price of Bitcoin goes from 29,000 to 33,000, also possible to 36,000 stretching, yeah. And after that, you believe, okay, we will break this structure to the upside, but in real, I think at 36,000, the price will go here to the downside. Let's look, yeah, in my eyes, if I zoom in, I have not so the focus that the price could go here to 36,000. If I look to this here, so the energy that we have here is very, very few. So this is, you can forget this, what you see here, this is very bad structure. So let me look. Yes, I would say here this is the last action, especially if you look here and you can see the signs here. Bitcoin break the structure to the downside, and that what now happening is here we make a retest of this, and if we're not breaking this to the upside, then the next logical thing is something like that, and the price is going here to the downside. Yeah, here's a clear signs that the price could go here to the downside, and we are here in a very dangerous situation. Yeah, the price is very weak. Yeah, and I would say this is our last action. But this, especially last area, is very manipulated. So my focus is low price to the downside and this move to the upside. Yeah. So let's look. One of them is that. But general, no matter if we are here or here, the price will break here down to the downside. Yeah. So have a nice day.